Welcome to all of my wonderful subscribers and viewers, wherever you are in this great, big, beautiful world. I hope you're all doing great. On today's menu, I am cooking some ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish is the national dish for Jamaica, and I'm doing it with a twist today. I'm going to add some chocho, and this is the chocho. It's good for anemia, good for high blood pressure and cholesterol. It has so many health benefits. This is the ackee, the tin ackee, because we cannot get the real ackee, so we have to use the tin ackee. And these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have some boned saltfish. It's already washed, cooked, and ready to go. And these are the bell peppers. We have a yellow, green, and red bell peppers, some red onions, tomato, white onions, garlic, and some thyme. And we are going to get going now. The frying pan is on the stove, and I have 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. It should be nice and hot. So now I'm going to start sauteing the natural seasoning. Okay, I'm going to start sauteing the natural seasoning. Okay, it's ready to go. I'm going to put everything in, and I have 1 large garlic clove all chopped up as well. So everything is going to go into the pan to saute. Going to put the thyme in. The more seasoning you have, the nicer the ackee and saltfish will taste. Okay, I'm going to leave this to saute for a few minutes, and then I'll be right back. I normally cook the chocho, but this time I am going to leave it in to steam. I'm going to cover the pot, and I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes and to steam, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I have a nice green scotch bonnet pepper washed and ready to go. So I'm going to slice it now. I'm not going to use the seeds because I don't want it to be hot. I just want to get the flavor from the pepper. Okay, I have already done the scotch bonnet, and now I'm going to dice the tomato. I'll get a different knife. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go now and add this to the vegetables, to the onions that are sauteing, or the natural seasoning that are sauteing. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to it now. Okay, so this is sauteing nicely. Give it a quick stir. I'm not gonna add any salt to this because the codfish, it had salt, but I soaked it overnight and I tasted it and it tastes okay. So I don't need to add any salt to the pot because the codfish already have just a little bit of salt in it. I'm gonna leave this to saute for about 5 more minutes, and then I'll be right back to show you where I'm going to add in the ackee. Okay, I said I was going to show you when I'm adding the ackee, but I have to do the codfish first. So now I'm going to add the codfish. I want the codfish to get the flavor of the tomato. Look how beautiful, the beautiful colors. Okay, I'm going to leave this and I'm going to go now and get the ackees ready so that I can put the ackee to it. So this is how I do my ackees. I pour it out. You have to be careful because it's soft. That's the only thing with the Can Ackee. It gets very soft. And I'm gonna pour some hot water over it to rinse it off. Let it drain a little, and then I'm gonna add it to the pot. Okay, I'm gonna add the ackees now to the pan, and because it's soft. Okay, I have to gently turn it. Gently turn it. I don't want it to be more mushy than it is. It's from the can, and it gets so thin, but it smells really good. Yes, the aroma in this kitchen smells so delicious. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna get a bit of black pepper. Ackee is nothing without black pepper. You have to have black pepper. Everything will be in the description box. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you're going to share this recipe with your friends and family. It's Jamaica's national dish, and it smells really nice. I'm going to taste it now. Just going to go and grab a fork. I'll be right back. Mm. I'm gonna go and taste this. Wow. Delicious. Really delicious. The chocho pick up the taste from the ackee. Really nice. I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes. When I come back, I'm gonna dish it up. Yes, my friends, there we have it. Ackee and salt fish. And you can eat this with yams, sweet potatoes, lovely boiled dumplings, fried dumplings, green bananas, white rice. You have so many different choices that you can eat this with. And don't forget to try the recipe. Let me know how you like it. Enjoy this with your friends and family. I love you all. God bless you. See you next time.